Good morning, fifth graders. Welcome to our reading and phonics lesson today. We saved our read to self time until Friday. So for your reading homework today, you get to sit back, relax, read the book that you're working on for your genre chart, and don't forget to mark it on your chart. For phonics, we're going to be working in your My Words Study book, right? And we're on page 22. Okay? It's a short story called Strike. And this story is interesting because it's based on a true story. I'm going to read just the little snippet they have here on the article. But it says in 1899, New York City Newsies went on strike. After 10 days, the publishers made this offer: 85 cents for 100 newspapers, but they would buy back unsold papers. The kids accepted. All right, so that word newsies is another word for paperboy. All right, so this group of kids went on strike because they wanted to earn more money per paper, but they also wanted the company to buy back any papers they were not allowed or not able to sell. All right, so you're going to see a conversation in this article between two newsies as they are going about trying to sell newspapers. All right, and our work with this article, first will be to enjoy it, and secondly, we're going to go and identify those R-controlled vowels again. So splitting the words into syllables. Remember, every syllable needs a vowel. Okay, and then you're going to look for that vowel R combination. And when you find it, you're going to circle it. And challenge yourself to find five syllables or more if you're up for it. And then secondly, while you read, I want you to identify sentences. Okay, sentences that helped you in understanding what you were reading. Okay, there's always those specific sentences that really give you a good picture in your mind of what is happening. All right, so my sentences may be different than your sentences. Okay, but I want you to underline those right in your book while you're reading today. All right, remember, pause at the periods. You can even try to change your voice in the quotations if you're up for a challenge today. All right, enjoy the reading and especially enjoy your read to self time today.